Well, this store used to be called Half Price Bargains in Johnson City, and I haven't been in maybe a year, maybe 2 years I've been here. So I had a little extra time and thought I'd just stop by and see what they had today. And they carry just overstock or Amazon returns and that sort of thing. But I found the cutest shoes to wear in the house. And their brand, these are, see how thick the sole is? They're featherweight, weigh nothing. And the brand, I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's Kuailu. But they are so comfortable, and I thought they would make great house shoes. So that was the only purchase that I found today. And next door is Haven of Mercy thrift store. So I think I'm going to stop in here and just look around. Well, I bought the salt and pepper shakers because they were just $1 each. So I couldn't pass that up. But I found something else. Let me show you. I love this print. Oh, it's an oil painting. It looks like an oil painting, but it's not. It's smooth. But I love that for $5. I'll probably change the frame on it, but that is beautiful. Okay, enough of lollygagging around. I got to get busy with my errands. I need to make a stop at Aldi's and at the grocery store and head back home and fix supper. Hey y'all, we're home from church today and I've got spaghetti baking in the oven. It has to bake for an hour, so Joe is snacking on watermelon. And I'm getting ready while the spaghetti is making to make some banana pudding with these 2 bananas that need to be eaten. And banana pudding is one of Joe's favorite desserts, isn't it, honey?
Yes.
And it's good and refreshing on a hot day, so that's what I'm going to do for him today. So for the banana pudding recipe, I'm making a recipe that came from the Eagle brand condensed milk, the Borden manufacturing company. Now, my mom made banana pudding, and her and my dad, they liked the old-fashioned kind. And she would cook and make her own custard, and she'd make like a meringue topping on it and put it in the oven and let it brown on top, and you eat it warm. And that's good, but Joe and I just prefer a cold banana pudding. And it's easy to make, and all you need is some bananas, and I've got these 2 that passed their prime. And you need a box of vanilla pudding, and I've got the French vanilla pudding. It's not the kind you cook, it's the instant vanilla pudding. And you need a can of Eagle brand milk. You need some cold water. I'll tell you the exact amount. Some sour cream and some Cool Whip or whipped topping. And let's not forget the vanilla wafers. So let's get this put together. Okay, I have emptied the 1 can of Eagle brand milk into a large mixing bowl, and I'm adding 1 1/2 cup of cold water. I'm going to mix that up until it's smooth. Now we're going to add the box of, I'm using French vanilla pudding mix. It's the small box, the 3.5 ounce. And we're going to mix it up. Now I've just mixed it until it's mixed up good. It's not getting thick yet, but I'm going to add in 4 ounces of sour cream. And this is an 8-ounce container, but we've already eaten about half of it, so I'm just putting the rest of it in the banana pudding. And now mix again. For some reason, the camera didn't pick up the last step, but after I mixed the sour cream in and started to get thick, I put the bowl all in the refrigerator to let it chill for 5 minutes. So now we're going to take half of this tub of Cool Whip and fold it in to the pudding mix. To assemble the pudding now, I have lined the bottom of my, I don't know how many quart casserole this is, but with vanilla wafers. And then I'm going to put some pudding on top of that until it's all coated. We like a lot of vanilla wafers in our banana pudding, so I put them on the bottom and up around the sides. I've had some bananas sliced and setting in lemon juice to keep the bananas from turning brown. So I'll just put some of these in on top of the pudding. I only had 2. It's best if you use 3, but I'm not a big banana fan, so 2's plenty. And then we'll put more vanilla wafers. My hand's dirty and we'll have to do one hand thing. And like I said, we like lots of vanilla wafers in our banana pudding. So what's your all's favorite summer dessert on hot days? And I know all of you all are experiencing the heat of the summer. We've not had any rain hardly at all in July or June or July. I'll get it right here in a minute. I'll put some more up the sides here. But if they will stay. I think that'll be all right there. So it's time for more pudding. And you know what I should have done, you don't have to do this, but we like the Cool Whip too, since I have some left over in this bowl. I'm going to put a little Cool Whip here on top of this layer. It's still a little firm where it hadn't thawed out good yet, but it's spreading good. Okay. More bananas. I'll keep a few out there. More vanilla wafers. Like dealing cards. Do y'all like to play card games? I do. Joe's not much of a game player, but I get together with some friends and we play cards occasionally. Now I'll put the rest of the pudding in. You could also put this in a 9x13 pan if you'd rather. But we like the deep layers. Okay. I just have a few bananas left, so I'll sprinkle them on top here. Let me wash my hands. And now I'm going to put some more Cool Whip on top. I don't know if I'll use this whole container, but I probably will. Yeah. Spread this around. gonna make a pretty banana pudding. And I always put just a few more wafers on top. And there you have it. Now I'll chill this and it'll be ready to eat later this afternoon. Okay, our spaghetti is out of the oven. Now this spaghetti is one I made several weeks ago. It makes a big batch, and I put some in this 8x8 aluminum or full container and stored it in the freezer. So it makes for a really quick meal, and it's perfect for Sundays after church. So this is what we're having today with a salad, and we're ready to eat. Here is Joe's plate with a piece of Texas garlic toast, and my plate without the bread. Pasta is enough for me. Joe went to the barn to get the horses water. He's been gone longer than he should have in this heat. I rang the dinner bell outside for him to come on, so I'm going to go ahead and taste this. Even though that's been in the freezer for over a month, it tastes like you just made it. It's delicious. I'll put the link to the past video where I made the spaghetti in the description box below.